Hey everyone, and now we're gonna solve past paper questions regarding reaction rates. And guys, throughout this video, if you feel the need to stop anytime, just do so and solve the question on your own. So let's get started. Well, first we read the question the first time. I know, like, when you read it the first time, you might get a bit confused and you say, like, I'm not gonna be able to solve this, but no, just read it again and highlight the keywords as we're gonna do right now. So let's get started. Okay, the question reads so: hydrogen peroxide solution decomposes very slowly at room temperature. So this reaction is very slow. Okay, the equation of this reaction is hydrogen peroxide to give water plus oxygen. Now he says very few bubbles can be seen in the solution because of the slow decomposition. The rate of this reaction is greatly increased by a catalyst. Now we said that before. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up the reaction but does not get involved, meaning it's not a reactant. Okay. Then he says a student added solid to some hydrogen peroxide solution to see if the solid acted as a catalyst. So this solution, this student has a solution like this, okay, of hydrogen peroxide, and he added a solid catalyst, okay, like this, the black dots I put here. So he noticed a lot of bubbles formed and that the solid was still present. So the solid was still present, okay, at the end of the reaction. So he says outline a method to show that the solid acted as a catalyst and not as a reactant. Well, when he says outline a method right here, he wants you to give an experimental method. Okay, he doesn't want you to say like in words or theoretical stuff. He wants you to answer in terms of experimental answer, okay? So he said that a catalyst does not get involved in the reaction. If we take the catalyst out of the reaction, nothing would be affected, only the speed would be affected. So in this case, if we measure the mass before and after, it would be the same. Okay, let's go on to the next question. Now he says explain in terms of particles. Now he wants particles in the answer. Why the rate of a reaction increases as the concentration increases. Okay, let's see. We said that if the concentration increases means that we're adding more particles to the solution or the reaction. So therefore, there is higher number of collisions. Okay, so let's write it here. More particles, therefore, more number of collisions, and therefore, higher probability of successful collisions, and therefore higher reaction rate. And that's how you get an A star on your paper. This is the perfect answer. If you write all these, I know I wrote it in simplified handwriting, but you guys need to write it in the full sentence. This is the perfect answer. So I hope this video gave you a feel of how the examiner would ask you in the exam, and I would suggest to solve more examples on your own, and I hope this was beneficial. So good luck, guys. See you.